Welcome back. News just coming in. The Health Ministry has issued an alert notice to hospitals in Ghaziabad and in Delhi, instructed hospitals to set up isolation wards. This after a 51-year-old woman from Ghaziabad succumbed to her injuries to the swine flu virus on Thursday. Joining me now for more is Headlines Today's Rishika Barua. Rishika, while the Health Minister may say there's no reason to be worried, there is serious reason to be concerned.
Well, absolutely, Gaurav. A day after Delhi has in fact recorded its first swine flu death, the Health Minister JP Nadda on Saturday did come out with an assurance to the people saying that there is no need to panic. But the fact of the matter at this point in time is that the most commonly used drug to cure swine flu is in fact not readily available in the markets. In fact, reports that are coming in from Ghaziabad itself at this point in time seem to suggest that the drug which is known as Tamiflu is in fact not available in the markets. But having said that, the Health Ministry has issued a notice to all hospitals to in fact make an isolation ward. There are special arrangements that are being made across government hospitals and privately run hospitals in the national capital to in fact deal with swine flu. Now, asserting that the Health Ministry will deal with the situation. The Health Minister has also told us that 17 government hospitals in Delhi already have adequate medical facilities to deal with the disease. He's also, the Health Ministry has, urged people through the media to in fact reach out to the nearest hospitals if any of the symptoms of swine flu are repeated. And of course, there is a heightened sense of panic at this point in time after the 51-year-old woman, as you've been pointing out, passed away 2 days ago at Gangaram Hospital. Now, she was shifted to the city hospital on December the 21st. She was diagnosed with swine flu in Ghaziabad itself.
Okay.
But the hospital in Ghaziabad, Gaurav, was not equipped to deal with it. And as we've been pointing out and as we've been telling our viewers, over 40 people have in fact died of swine flu across India this year itself. It's claimed 3 lives. And a dozen more in Hyderabad in December alone.
Rishika,
and of course, the first case coming to light from Delhi.
Are there precautions that a person can take to prevent swine flu? Is the government coming out with list of precautions that can be taken?
Well, Gaurav, the government has in fact come out with a list of precautions. It's important to remember that the swine flu carrier is predominantly the H1N1 influenza. And, the virus is heightened in the winter months. It is characterized mainly by problems.
We seem to have lost that line with Rishika Barua. We'll try and reestablish that line. But the health department says while there's no reason to panic, isolation departments need to be set up in every hospital, not just in Delhi, but in adjoining NCR. For the moment, Rishika Barua, many thanks for joining me.